The Chalkboard was originally opened by a gentleman named John Phillips, and it was opened in 1976 and was one of Tulsa's kind of premier restaurants. His signature dish was the Beef Wellington. So whenever it closed and then we reopened it, we just carried on that tradition. The restaurant's been in our family for 20 years. Our father owned it before us. My sister started in '01 and I started '02, '03. Long time. We've all kind of grown up in this together. Really 99, 2000, he got the opportunity to come into this brand new building that had just got refurbished as the Ambassador Hotel and the Chalkboard restaurant. We get travelers from all over, and we hear things, people considering Tulsa in general and then our restaurant something they would see in Austin or even kind of a New York vibe. It's just a cute boutique restaurant and in a beautiful hotel where we partnership well with the Ambassador. A couple different things that make us special. I think that just that hospitality you get when you walk through the door, you're always going to see a familiar face. We've all been here for a long time, and we all are we're bred for this. We're restaurant kids through and through. In a normal world, we would do brunch on Saturday, Sunday, but we just decided, you know what, let's make every day Sunday fun day. And so instead of switching breakfast, lunch, brunch menus, we just decided to do a brunch menu during the day and a dinner menu at night. You can start off, either go sweet or savory. We've got wonderful crab cakes if you want to go a little savory. And then we do a Scotch bonnet salsa with it with a little caviar over the top and a little lemon gel. We're very well known for our bread pudding. And it was a quarantine item. So we just decided let's dredge that bread pudding like you would a French toast and then cover it with lemon icing and then do a little homemade blueberry jelly over the top of it. We've got a wonderful fried green tomato BLT for lunch. We've got a wonderful turkey Reuben, and our burger is off the charts. We have our classic Chalkboard breakfast, but our breakfast tacos with the chorizo and the queso fresca, and then to the frittata, which has a beautiful salad over the top of it. The Bloody Mary has just been our traditional kind of recipe. So we do all kinds of seasonal mimosas, but right now we're doing sorbets. So Chef has made a raspberry and mint sorbet, and so we're just doing those as little floats over the top of champagne. We've got a wonderful happy hour. Our happy hour is from 4 to 6 every day, and half-price appetizers. We've got a wonderful bar menu, and then a couple drink specials. We treat ourselves as ambassadors of Tulsa. I know that if I can sell somebody on Tulsa, that I'm gonna have them for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I think once they branch and they go downtown and they see the cool vibe, they're gonna come back to Tulsa, and so it just benefits me in the long run.